Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to talk about identifying numerical patterns.
Here we have to know, in each pattern we have a rule. A rule, it can be used to describe the pattern. Like here, example 1. If I have this pattern, 27, 23, 19, 15, and so on. Here we need to know the rule. 27 is big number. It becomes a small number. 23, then number smaller. 19, then number smaller. 15, and so on. So here we will use operation which is minus or divided. So we have to know when the number it's a big number and will be small number, so we need to use divided or minus. Here let's check. I have 27, it will be 23. So we used minus 4, and then 23 minus 4, it will be 19. 19 minus 4, it will be 15. So the rule here, subtract 4. The rule is subtract 4 and so on. And now, here in letter B we have 1, 8, 64, 512. Now, here we will use another rule. 1 is a small number. It will be bigger and then it will be 8. Now, 8 will be 64, bigger. 64 will be 512. It's a bigger. So when we have a small number and becomes a big number, so we will use times or plus. So here our rule is times 8. 1 times 8 we will get 8. 8 times 8 we will get 64. 64 times 8 we will get 512. So the rule here is multiply by 8. Now, in example 2, look at each table and determine the rule. Use a variable to write the rule. Here we have this table. We have here the input and the output. Our input is 1, and output will be 7. Input 2, it will be 8. 3, it will be 9. 4, it will be 10. So we need to know the rule. The rule here, n, which is the variable, plus 6. So here, when we make n 1, so 1 plus 6 will get 7, which is the output. When we have here n2, so 2 plus 6, it will be 8, which is the output. Now 3, which is n, so 3 plus 6, it will be 9, here the output. And the last one is 4, 4 plus 6, it will be 10. And now, number 1, write the rule for each pattern with a variable, then complete the pattern by finding the missing values. Here in letter A, we have 52, 44, 36, 28, and 20. Dots, and find the rule. Here 52 is a big number, will be 44, smaller, will be 36, smaller, will be 28, another small number. So here from big number to small number, we will use here minus or divided. So can we use divide here? No, but we know 52 minus 8, we will get 44. So here our rule will be minus 8. So 52 minus 8, 44. 44 minus 8 will be 36. 36 minus 8 will be 28. So here our rule is minus 8. So the variable will be x here. So rule x minus 8. And now 20 minus 8, it will be 12. 12 minus 8, it will be 4. And now in letter B, 23, 27, dots, 35, 39, dots. I need to find the rule. 23 will be 27, which is big number, so we will use times or plus. Here, 23 will be 27. Oh, we will make plus 5. So the rule 4. So the rule here will be plus 4. And now 35 plus 4 also will be 39. So here, yes, the rule is x plus 4. And also we can use any variable you want. X, Y, Z, any variable. So here let's find the missing number. So 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 4 will be 31. And now 39 plus 4 will be 43. And 43 plus 4 will be 47. Now in letter C, 2, 4, 8, 16 dots, 64 dots. And I want to know the rule. Here, 2 will be 4, 4 will be 8, 8 will be 16. We know here it's a table 2, so we will make times 2 each time. So the rule here, it's times 2. 2 times 2 will be 4, 4 times 2 will be 8, 8 times 2 will be 16, 16 times 2 will be 32. And 32 times 2, 64. 64 times 2 will be 128. And here our rule is x times 2. And also we can use any variable you want.
And now in number 2, look at each table and determine the rule. Use variable to write the rule. And now in letter A, we have the input is 1, output is 6. When it's 2, it will be 7. Big number. 3, it will be 8, which is bigger. 4 will be 9, which is bigger. 5 will be 10, which is bigger. So here our rule using plus or times. So let's note that 1 will be 6, so it will be plus 5. 2 will be 7, it's also plus 5. So 3 plus 5, it will be 8. And 4 plus 5 will be 9. 5 plus 5 will be 10. So the rule will be x plus 5. And you can use any variable you want. Now letter B, we have 1 will be 8, bigger. 2 will be 16, bigger. 3 will be 24, which is bigger also. 4 will be 32 and 5 will be 40. So let's note that here when we say 1 times 8, it will be 8. So let's check. 2 times 8, 16, yes. So here 3 times 8, it will be 24. 4 times 8, it will be 32. 5 times 8, it will be 40. So the rule here will be x times 8. Let's see in letter C. Here we have 70 will be 10, smaller. 63 will be 9, smaller. 56 will be 8, which is a smaller. So 49 will be 7, smaller. And 42 will be 6, which is smaller. So the rule here using divided or minus. So let's check the divided here. 70 divided by what to get 10? It will be divided by 7. 63 divided 7 also equals 9. And 56 divided 7, it will be 8. Super. And now 49 divided 7, it will be 7. 42 divided 7, it will be 6. So the rule here is x divided by 7. And now here I want to number 3, using the information given, list the first 5 numbers in the pattern. Letter A starting number 4, and the rule is n plus 7. So we will write the first number here is 4. The rule n plus 7, what means 4 plus 7. So each time we will make plus 7. 4 plus 7, it will be 11. 11 plus 7, it will be 18. 18 plus 7, it will be 25. And 25 plus 7, it will be 32. Let's see in letter B. We have starting number 1, and the rule is n times 3. So the first number will be 1. Rule n times 3. So 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. And 3 times 3, it will be 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3, it will be 81. In letter C, starting number 95, and the rule is n minus 5. So each time we will make minus 5. The first number is 95. Here, 95 minus 5, it will be 90. 90 minus 5, it will be 85. 85 minus 5, it will be 80. And 80 minus 5, it will be 75.